Look at you, you got to put it in, lock it up. Wow, that's good. No, that's good. Fireworks here. After the house here. Don't forget, of course, you have fireworks. It's coming to sky. Hey, don't flashing all lights here. All fireworks here. That's in 2 minutes of house here. Here. And then to top Shimmer's house. Into right down the house. Into fence for wood. Next to my house in blue. And then that. Around the top here. Okay. Just more to come. There we go. Yeah. No, right up there. No, kind of back to blue. What anything else to do? Then all same kind of empty. Okay. Wow, that's big flashing lights up the sky. There's a big bang here. And there's work in the house. Look out, everyone. In control for here now. Come to make control. In home security, finish them. Tell where to the fireworks. Okay. If someone's trying that, I can come in, and I can see what you know got that. See what you know got. That's why you grab, okay. Then come up over here, see like that, hot water. Then we got here. That's that. Okay. I'm coming to go. Oh, this is kind of smells bad. Okay. Sounds okay. Then I should go ahead and go from the house fire. Right. That's my gun here. My friend. It'll be a big bonfire now. A big bonfire. Burn over, catch on fire. Die. I'm tired. I'm tough.